How to zoom and follow the mouse in OBS Studio. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, a support expert at JMV Technology. In this tutorial, you'll learn to set up OBS Studio to zoom and track your mouse automatically. This feature is great for tutorials, presentations, or live streams, highlighting key details for your audience. If you're new to OBS Studio, we offer a free comprehensive course. Scan the QR code first, download the script. I'll put the link in the video description. Click Go to Download. Click here to download the file. This script works on all operating systems in OBS. Click Tools, then Scripts. Click the plus button in the window, paste the file you downloaded. I suggest keeping it in this folder for best results. Select it and click Open. Before we look at the script settings, let's add a zoom shortcut. You can close that window, click Settings, then Hotkeys. At the bottom, we'll see these two options. First, to enable zoom. Second, to toggle mouse tracking. You can set any shortcut you want. I'll use F7 and F8. Click Apply, then OK. Click Tools, Scripts, and select the script. Choose the source you'll zoom on. Initially, it only works for monitor capture sources. You can add other sources. I'll show how later. If your monitor capture isn't listed, click Refresh. Now the zoom works with hotkeys. F7 activates zoom and follows the mouse. F8 toggles mouse tracking on and off. Pressing F7 again disables the zoom. Default settings work well. You can leave them as is. Let's explore available options for specific adjustments. Zoom factor determines the magnification level. Higher numbers result in closer zoom. Zoom speed controls the animation speed. Enable auto follow mouse for automatic cursor tracking. Option to track cursor beyond source boundaries. Tracking works across multiple monitors. Follow speed sets cursor tracking responsiveness. Higher numbers increase tracking speed. Follow border sets edge distance to resume tracking. The lower this value, the closer to the edge you'll need to move your mouse to reactivate tracking. Lock sensitivity sets how close the cursor must be to the center before locking position and stopping mouse tracking. Tracking only reactivates when the cursor exits and re-enters the edge area. This option auto-stops tracking if the mouse moves in the opposite direction from before. For example, if moving down, then up, it'll stop following. Check this option to use zoom on other sources, like a camera. This will show all your sources in the list to choose from. For non-screen captures, you'll need to set manual position and adjust the zoom area. And that's it. Now you can use it in your streams or recordings. If you need a live streaming platform, check out JMV Technology's plans for multi-platform broadcasting. They offer several exclusive features too. For more info, scan the QR code. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and follow us for more content like this.